Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Shishdaran, working as Customer Success Manager for ASC Advisory Group India. In this session, I'll be joining again with Mr. Mohan to discuss on his published study, Additive Manufacturing Machinery or AMM. As mentioned in my previous video, we will cover the context like scope of the report, leading suppliers, key factors, strategies, etc. So let me welcome Mohan. Hi Mohan.
Hey, hello Saurabh, and hello everyone once again. Today we are going to discuss about my third study, which is Additive Manufacturing Machinery. Thank you.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Mohan. And my first question to you is to know about the scope of the market. So please explain on that.
Okay, I think the scope covers companies that manufacture 3D printers and their respective materials and services. And one more thing was like business that offers services, software, and materials without a printer are not qualitatively included in this sizing, but are qualitatively discussed due to growing importance in the effective manufacturing ecosystem. And we have made a different key segments like market size and growth, regional analysis, industry segments. So market size and growth can be like, I can say in one point, like additive manufacturing saw innovation in 3D printing, such as multi-material printing and integration of AI that helps optimize production process. And of course, demand for lightweight components is also driven in this market. And regional analysis, like other two studies mentioned, North America, EMEA, APAC regions are covered with specific insights into the current US, Germany, China, and India. And also industry segments are many like medical products, aerospace and defense, automotive, and household are also we have added in this. And product segments, if I want to talk about product segments, we have added different 3D printing technologies, especially like binder jetting, director energy deposition, material extrusion, etc. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Mohan. We like to mention about few supplies for this market.
Thank you for the question, Saurabh. I will name the few suppliers from this market, like 3D Systems, Desktop Metal, Formlabs, and Statuses. And there are some of the few who are also accommodated in the market. Thank you.
Right. Please mention about the key growth factors for this study.
Yeah, like I mentioned, like previous, like there is a huge advances in 3D printing technologies such as multi-material printing and AI integration, and the ability to produce it customized parts quickly and efficiently has also rapidly increasing. And of course, companies are majorly looking for the sustainability space. So there is a reduced material waste and energy efficient production methods also happening from the past couple of years. And advancements in 3D printing technologies, what I want to say was expanding additive manufacturing capabilities is growing. And also new materials deployment is also growing, since the additive manufacturing applications are also growing along with that. And one more last point I can say was additive manufacturing growth is primarily driven in the ability to produce customized parts, benefiting for industries like medical devices, automotive, aerospace, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohan. Would you like to add any inhibiting factors too with this?
Yes, we found out some of the inhibitor factors as well, like uh, advanced manufacturing equipments actually has a high upfront cost because of requirement of machines, specialized materials, maintenance, and skilled operators. So these four parameters are big burning for them and can deter adoption of small and medium sized businesses, unfortunately. And consistent quality, because additive manufacturing completely focus on quality and good material. So consistent quality in industries like aerospace, medical devices, and automotive is crucial, but high performance standards remains challenging for them even now as well. And of course, digital nature of additive manufacturing also poses challenges in especially intellectual property protection, as designs are shared digitally for printing. there is an increase in the risk of IP theft or counterfeiting is happening. Yeah.
Thank you, Mohan. On the strategies, can you please explain the
Mhm.
strategies that you would recommend to the buyer for the system?
uh, right, got it. uh, it's a good question. Like, buyers actually leverage additive manufacturing for on-demand production. It's growing from recently. That reduces the need for extensive physical inventory and allows for the localizing manufacturing. And one more thing I observed was buyers prioritize systems that offers multifunctional capabilities, such as printers that can handle complex geometries, various materials, and multifunctional printing. M- Means like multifunctional printing means such as combining metal and polymers together. So that is growing more. Yeah, these are the strategies.
Right. Any other key market trends or points you would like to add?
Like I mentioned previously, like shift towards localized production hubs are growing, and there is a growth in personalized medical devices and bioprinting, since the future is everything about healthcare and life sciences, especially in additive manufacturing. And one more thing was there is a improvement in the design, as well as uh, what I want to say was generative design and improved slicing software. Because of this, software advancements has also happened. So these are the some of the trends. Yeah.
Right. Lastly, how can this study, additive manufacturing machinery, be benefited for the buyers, buyers as in the suppliers, asset owners, and service providers? Please explain that also.
Yeah, sure. That's a good question. uh, we have provided, so buyers will get a highlighted advancements in 3D printing technologies in this report. That includes new materials, improved paint printing processes. That helps buyers stay updated with the latest innovations. And this report also offers very detailed information about the top industries that helps them understand the unique applications and benefits of AM technologies in their sectors. So yeah, these are the benefits for them looking forward.
Right. Thank you so much, Mohan, for addressing all the queries related to the studies. And to our audience, I hope this would have given a clear understanding about additive manufacturing machinery report. Uh, for more information, I would request you to visit www.arpit.com. You can also fill in the contact form to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Mohan, and thanks to the audience for joining the session.